Hi, what's up, Theta Network holders? So this is live price prediction of Theta Network coin, and absolutely we will do a technical analysis in this video to everybody understand to in upcoming time, my friends, can pumps is possible to Theta Network will pumps up or not, my brother. So let's get start this brand video, but please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, the condition is very critical now. All currency were very badly falls down. Well, minus 1.34% the price is decreased now, and this time, as you can see here, my friend, the condition is also very bad now. As you can see, my friends, the price will face down from 7.1 USD dollar to 6.38 USD dollar. So it's a very bad fails, but don't worry, my friend. After a short fails, definitely they will also take a very huge jump now. But at this time, everybody, the main question, my friend, is that to why they were fails down. So one, the main reason, my friend, which I found is that to after a short term, absolutely some coin, my friend, were fails down, and definitely they were very badly fails down. So therefore, my friend, I think Theta Network is not very badly fails down. This is just an only short fail. So I hope they will recover it just in only in one day, and they will again starting moving upward. So I hope, my friends, this is all just an only possible if you want it to upcoming time. They both are just an only grow with now both. So therefore, just and only you will need, my friends, to participate now in upcoming time, my friends. Special huge profits now, definitely in upcoming time. Some holders, some experts, my friends, personally says that to upcoming time the price is going to be double now. So I think, my friend, everybody know this to crypto market in upcoming time. I hope they will comfortable, but definitely, my friends, when a holder are starting selling, so this is impossible now. But please, holders, I have one request to hold it now and those days, because in the last 10 days of every month every coin will move upwards. So therefore, I know to Theta Network will also get a profit. So thanks for watching, Theta Network holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel if you want this type more informative videos.